Hello, everyone. Did you know that we carry 3 kilograms on average of microbes in our gut? Collectively, we call those microbes our gut microbiome. Together with the gut, they weigh more than a brain does, and as important as a brain, because they have 100 times more genes than we do. This allows them to perform many useful functions in us, such as help us digest food, produce vitamins, and even produce neurotransmitters to regulate our mood. Not surprisingly, the gut is often called a second brain. My name is Alexey Melnik, and I'm CEO and co-founder of Arome Science Inc. At Arome, we're trying to understand how those microbes affect health and disease of humans. See, when everything works well with those microbes, they work in perfect harmony with our body. But when things go out of whack, the gut enters the state of microbiome imbalance or dysbiosis. This can be caused by many factors, including antibiotics, food, such as lifestyle, and exposure. When this happens, microbiome imbalance causes metabolic imbalance, which in turn causes low-grade inflammation, which induces even more microbiome imbalance. This creates a vicious cycle that has been linked to many chronic diseases, including cancer, type 2 diabetes, neurological disorders, GI diseases, and cardiovascular diseases. Established 5 years ago, Arome has been helping our biotech and pharma companies to understand microbial systems. We've been providing actionable insights into their biological systems in research and development and early clinical trials. We help them with the drug metabolism and patient stratification. We've also been completely flexible and transparent in what we do. We work with many sample types, and we provide publication-ready results and methods to our customers. But most importantly, we're uniquely positioned for biomarker discovery. You can think of biomarker discovery as the funnel, essentially where we take a complex biological sample with all the chemicals that are produced by microbes and boil it down to biomarkers of diseases. Using this approach, we recently were able to discover novel molecules that were implicated in inflammatory bowel disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. We were publishing those findings in multiple Nature journals and even patented those molecules and potential targeted therapies. This approach and this type of analysis is quite expensive and not accessible to a regular consumer. And we want to change that. We want to democratize this type of analysis and bring it direct to consumer via point of care and physicians. We want this to be a test that relies on 2 major pillars of testing, including urine, blood, and stool testing. We have a blood test in form of a dry urine card that we co-developed with our partnering company, Tomtec. It's volumetrically controlled proprietary card that people can sample themselves at home, dry the card, and then send over to us for us to define and determine concentrated biomarkers of diseases. Together with our partner, too, who is a top-tier supplement producer in the US, we are validating 2 other collection devices, such as blood collection device that can collect blood painlessly and give us an understanding about systemic health of humans, and also a stool wipe that will allow us to determine the microbiome metabolism. We believe these 3 pillars of testing will allow us to create AI-based predictive solutions for lifestyle and dietary changes that will help people to reverse, prevent, or even cure chronic diseases. Initially, we would like to focus on NFLD and IBD as we have the data and biomarkers just covered for those diseases. We have a strong leadership and operations team in place to achieve those goals. We also have a strong advisory board, people that are real expert in their fields to help us in our research and development efforts. Here's our timeline. We would like to start and validate our tests by October 2023 for NFLD and IBD. Then by April 24, we would like to collect a large body of data to generate predictive models of dysbiosis detection for other diseases using AI. And this will be in a collaboration with Mitrodora Institute, which is a private hospital and has a large biobank of samples. And by December 2024, we would like to finish our development and create an evidence-based AI-powered guidance system to inform consumers on lifestyle and dietary changes and or therapeutic interventions to eliminate microbial imbalance. We're looking for investors in life sciences innovation and innovative biotech companies excited to develop direct-to-consumer tests. With that, I would like to thank everyone, and I'll be happy to take questions.